What if I told you I made these without using any 3D softwares? Hey everyone, I'm excited to introduce you to Pacdora, a website that offers everything you need to create stunning packaging for your products. Pacdora has a huge library of templates, die lines, mockups, and even an online 3D creator that makes designing packaging a breeze. It has 2000 plus customizable packaging templates and die lines with 3D mockups. Just click to any templates you want. You can download die lines of different file formats like PDF, AI, DXF, and PNG. And also you can make custom die line sizes. Let's move on to the mockups. As you can see, it has 2000 plus customizable and downloadable mockups. Now I'm going to use Can Mockup to show you how it's work. As you can see, you have this 3D can model. You can design with online creator as well, but first let me show you the basic way. Just click to upload image and modify the size and position of the image. And then save it. As you can see, the mockup is ready. You can easily change the background color, material types, size, and many more things. Now it's ready and you can export it by clicking the export. And best thing is you can choose any short animation you want and export it in video format. Okay, now let's design with online creator. This is design mode where you can design your mockups, and this is mockup mode where you'll see the final output. You can also design new packaging here. Just go to packaging and choose any mockup you want. Go to design mode. And you can upload designed image or go to elements. You can get text combination, shapes, icons, and patterns. I will choose this pattern. And as you can see, pattern has been applied to the mockup. Now I'm adding text combination. Just ungroup it and you can edit everything. Now go to mockup mode and adjust material and color. Go to animation and choose any animation you want. Just click to download button. You can download die line, mockup, video, and even generate HTML code. Choose any color and ratio you want. Now export. The render video will be sent to your email within 20 minutes. I have designed another mockup. Now let's talk about one of the best features of Pacdora, 3D modeling. Just click to 3D modeling and enter the 3D modeling center. You can adjust size, position, angle, and many more things. Go to models and public models. You can make completely new 3D model. It has thousands of basic, decoration, inspiration, and blank model. You can also add your model in ready-made scenes. Just go to scenes and choose any scene you want. After making scene, you can adjust the lights by clicking the lights templates. Now choose image resolution, ratio, and just click render now. It will take few seconds. And finally, here we have the render 4K UHD image of our product. Just click download and you can see the quality of the image. I never imagined that a high quality tool like this will be available at such an affordable price. Here is the good news. By using the promo code GRAPIXELS at checkout, you can get a 50% big discount. Check the link in the description below. Say goodbye to frustration of using multiple softwares and say hello to Pacdora. Start creating beautiful and unique packaging designs today, all from the comfort of your browser. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.